If you're experiencing connection issues with TP-link BE400 Wi-Fi 7 router, maybe you're forgetting the admin password, selling the router, or want to set up your router from scratch. In this quick video, I'll show you 2 simple methods to perform a factory reset. Let's get started. Method 1. Using reset button. Find the reset button, tiny hole on the back of the router beside Ethernet port. First power on the router, if already not power on. Now use a pen or paper clip to press reset button. Press and hold the button for 10 seconds. And release button when all LEDs blink simultaneously. Router will restart and wait 2 to 3 minutes. All configuration and custom settings will erase and router will restore to default settings. Log in with default IP address and set up router again. Method 2. Reset via web interface. Connect to the router's Wi-Fi or via Ethernet. Open a browser and go to tpblinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1. Log in with your router admin password. Now go to Advanced tab. Then go to System Settings and then click Backup and Restore options. Now scroll down page and click Factory Restore button and press Restore button again to confirm router reset. Router will reboot and take 2 to 3 minutes to restore settings. After restore, log in again with default settings and set up router as per your internet settings. That's it. Your Archer BE400 is now fresh as new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.